Hi, my name is Basanio Peters, and I'm the founder of Assist to Develop, which is a startup looking to democratize innovation in the engineering and manufacturing industry.
The first question you're asking is, well, what do I care about democratizing innovation in engineering and manufacturing? Because it could be a path to prosperity for our communities. Both my parents grew up in the inner cities. My dad's from Watts and my mom is from Carson, California. And as a kid, I would go visit my grandmother in Watts and look around and see despair. And as I got older, I started to try and uncover what were the reasons why these communities suffered. The community was stripped of its employment opportunities. A lot of the manufacturing and blue-collar jobs that used to help these communities thrive were shipped overseas.
That's what happened to the people living in those communities, and the people that could afford to leave left and found prosperity other places. But what about the companies that shipped those jobs overseas? What backlash did that cause?
It's called the skills gap in engineering and manufacturing.
When you send those jobs overseas, you don't have as many people looking to fulfill those jobs in the United States.
Especially with the growth of advanced manufacturing and the lack of vocational training and hands-on skills to do these jobs, this is where we're suffering.
So if you fast forward to the present, right now we have the problems plaguing our inner cities and the skills gap in engineering and manufacturing. What if there was a solution that brought these challenges together and allowed both sides of this equation to thrive?
And to do that, you truly have to democratize the knowledge and then give access to the tools. And that's what we've built into our platform. It's an online marketplace that connects these employers to people looking for work. And one thing I'm excited about, and I'm here to talk to you about today, is we're launching a scholarship program where we're trying to get more minorities and women into engineering and manufacturing. And then once we have people with the skills and the tools in our communities to build products, that's when we can go out and start creating more of our own companies and employing more people in our own communities. So again, this is what the long-term vision of this platform is for. Hope you can join us on this mission.